What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here, man. Just doing an update. I know it's been quite a while since I posted something, man. If you've been on your boy's Facebook, y'all know Miss Rona. She might have got me, man. So I gotta go get tested in a couple hours here, man. So I figured while I'm chilling, might as well go ahead and get some stuff uploaded to the channel. I know I've stated in previous videos that I got quite a bit of unboxing to do. Maybe y'all can see here, I do have my battery charger hooked up. Not sure how clear that's coming through on the camera, but y'all know when I got this battery, I said it does have the lightning strike with the LED in there, and that is flashing as we speak. Went ahead and took advantage of it. Y'all see 14.4. This is my Resilient Sounds bass knob. I know when I did unbox that, I said, hey, don't have any batteries laying around to be able to test it, and hopefully y'all can see that there. Same deal, RGB on this as well. So she's changing colors. Hopefully that's coming through on the camera as well. But update for this video is due to the fact that, like I said, I've been having stuff to unbox, and shout out to my guys down in Clearwater, Florida, 5-Star Car Stereo. Dean and Fernando sent me some stuff, man. I did win a banner on their page, and shout out to Sue, Dean's wife. She was the one who hit me up to mail these items out to me. So she sent me some stickers, and they sent me one hell of a banner. And this is kind of just the motivation that I need, man. I've been contemplating on setting up my lab out. I call it the lab, but it's basically the garage. Been contemplating on doing that and getting that going. This is going to be something probably more so off camera. It's a huge banner, but I just want to focus on one part. Hopefully that's showing for y'all. Shout out to my man Dean. Shout out to Hailey. She signed in. Shout out to my man Fernando down there, man. Hella classy guys. Check them out Monday on Facebook. Hour-long them answering your car audio questions, as well as on Saturdays on YouTube, spending an hour answering your car audio questions. And we got a little package here, so let me get to it. This is a car audio package. Y'all see, I got my little Slam Panda fuse holders over here that my man also made. I decided to go ahead and put the Slam Pandas on there. So purpose of this video here is for some GP car audio ceramic fuses, man. Luckily, Tyler decided to make some for his company. Steve Mead also makes some, but of course they cost an arm and a leg to get. So I decided to go with GP car audio. Take one of them out. Y'all know my build this year is white and black, so I couldn't do any better than getting these here, white and black fuse holders. So this one here is $250. I believe I got a 4-pack. Yeah, there's a 4-pack of $250 and 2 more 4-packs of $300. And these are going to be going for the dual alternator runs and the front to back runs, man. So just, I guess, doing a quick unboxing if you want to look at it that way. Stuff is in the works. Like I said, man, I know I got to take that test tomorrow, find out what my status is. Been hella tired, like, I don't know, like ridiculously fatigued, heavy breathing, like trouble breathing and stuff like that. Even when, like, I'm just chilling here and I'm having a hard time belting all this stuff out, man. So we'll see what happens. But y'all know me, man. I try to do stuff for the people. So I guess I'll do a sneak peek. There will be more stuff for the people. Yeah, I know I got those DS18 subs over there. Those were supposed to go for a giveaway. Obviously that did not happen, and I guess I got a bit of a habit. So, when you're friends with a distributor for a couple of companies, like DS18 for one, Resilient Sounds for another one, let's see who else, Crescendo, and he just got on with a contract with Sky High Car Audio. That might make you buy some stuff when you keep going over his house and you're talking car audio, and your main thing is DS18. He says, hey, since you're here, I got this stuff laying around. How much would you throw me for it? And you end up coming home with 4 kicker subs, man. So I'll see. Got a couple people asking me about these, so I'll see what they're talking about, and we'll go from there. These things are pretty much brand new. I think he said he had maybe like 10 minutes of playing time on them. Just trying to see what kind of numbers they would do. He had them in a burp box and stuff like that, man. So we'll see what happens, man. So this is definitely one of those deals where I'll say, stay tuned. And we'll go from there, man. So y'all know the deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Let's hope for negative results in the morning, positive anywhere else, man. Stay away from people, man. Keep your 6 feet. I know y'all know the deal, man. Wash your hands, all of that stuff, man. Hopefully I'll come back negative and we can get back into this stuff here. You can see some car audio wire back there. Those are my alternators right there. I got my battery right here. Got the fuses and all this stuff. Got my bass knob, man. So hopefully this will get me motivated and get me going on doing my build and going from there, man. So I guess worst case scenario, if I have to isolate for 14 days or wherever long it is, I'll get some stuff done in that nature, man. So I just got stuff. Y'all see the old GP car audio fuses in here, so I'll swap them out with the new ones here, and yeah, like I said, stay tuned, man. You never know what might stick around here and what might go out the door, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Enjoy your life. Stay positive, man. I'm out of here.